Jai Srimanarayana. 10th sloka of 17th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Yatayamam gatarasam पूति पर्युषितञ्च यत् उच्छिष्टम् अपि चामेध्यम् भोजनम् तामसप्रियम् ॐ Before you eat, offer it to Sri Krishna Paramatma. That means the food that you are eating should be fit for offering to Sri Krishna Paramatma. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall definitely offer food to you before I eat. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall also make sure the food that I am eating is fit for offering it to you. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimanarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall do as you say. Please make me as your best instrument. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadravasanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukayogindra. Yam pravrajantamapeta dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hridayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana Chaturmukha Brahma Saraswati Devi Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. Om haraye namaha. Srimad Bhagavatamu Dasamaskandhamu 10th Skandham 342nd day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, all the Gopikas in Nandavraj, they are totally dwelled into Sri Krishna Paramatma while enjoying Krishna Paramatma's divine handsomeness and beauty, and while talking about Krishna Paramatma's divine activities. While they are all enjoying like that, now the season Hemanta Rutu came. In that season, Hemante Pradhame Masi Nandavraja Kumarika, in the first month, all the Gopikas, they observed Katyayani Vratam. Havishyam Bhunjanaha. In that entire month, they have eaten only Havishyanam. That means the dal and rice mixed together, boiled. That kind of food they ate for the entire month. And that is cold season. Ahamulu sannamulayyenu dahana muhitamayye. The time in the day is gone down and everybody likes to have some heat. Like that, Chengalva Virula Gandhamu Mangalamugagrolu Chunna Madhupamuloppe. In that season, all the flowers spreading their fragrances all over, and the butterflies enjoying. In that beautiful season, all the Gopikas, now they have taken Aplutya Ambasi Kalindya Jalante. Early in the morning, they have taken their bath in Yamuna river, and Kritva Pratikrutim Devim. They made one beautiful Vigraham of Katyayani Devi with the sand over there. Like that, they made one Vigraham and they started worshipping that Katyayani Devi, Durga Devi, while offering all the flowers, fruits and dhupam, deepam. They are worshipping Durga Devi. Why? They wanted to get Krishna as their husband. With that wish, all the Gopikas in that first month of Hemanta Rutu, they have performed Katyayani Vratam. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Haraye Namaha. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 17th chapter, 10th sloka. Yatayamam gatarasam puti paryushitinchayat uchishtam apichamedhyam bhojanam tamasapriyam. Yatayamam gatarasam puti paryushitinchayat uchishtam apichamedhyam bhojanam tamasapriyam. Srimannarayana Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.